Welcome to the exclusive interview of Polynex Awards and Conference. Today I am thrilled to welcome Chiwon Yi, founder and CEO of Bottles. With over 15 years in the cosmetic industry, Chiwon brings deep expertise across sales, manufacturing, engineering, and packaging. He holds 4 patents and leading innovation in sustainable packaging with the airless pack, a refillable solution that cut plastic use by up to 95%. Welcome, Mr. Chiwon. How are you?
Hey, how are you? I'm good. I'm good. Thank you. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So, Mr. Chiwon, thank you for joining
Mm-hmm.
us. And could you please start by sharing your journey? What inspired you to transition from a long career in cosmetic in founding Bottles?
Okay. Thank you for having me. And after spending for over a decade in the cosmetic industry, I realized one big truth. That is, the plastic is unmatched in function, but we are simply using too much of it. Actually, there wasn't a miracle new material coming to save us. The real solution was reducing and reusing what we already had. So that realization sparked the creation of Bottles.
Okay. So could you please explain how the airless pack works and what makes it different from traditional packaging?
Okay, the traditional airless container use almost 100 grams for plastic just to containing 100 grams of cosmetics, but the packaging is as heavy as the product itself. But our airless pack brings that down to just 8.8 grams, while keeping the same airless performance that protect formulas from the oxidation and contamination. It's ultra light,
Okay.
refillable up to 20 times, and leaves zero residue inside. That's how we cut over the 90% of plastic waste without compromising any product quality.
Okay. So reducing plastic by 95% is an incredible achievement. So what were some of the biggest challenges in developing this technology?
The challenge was very clear. How do we replace 100-gram plastic bottles with something 1/10 the weight, but still project sensitive formulas and feel premium for consumer? Balancing sustainability, performance, and cost took years of trial, error, and then collaboration with material scientists and manufacturers.
Okay. So how does your mission, less plastic, more usage, resonate with today's environmentally conscious consumer?
Consumers today want to the right thing, but convenience and quality still matter. The less plastic and more usage speaks to both. You use less plastic, but enjoy the same or even better experience. It's a simple, empowering message, and it's exactly what conscious consumers and forward-thinking brands are looking for.
Okay, so do you believe governments and regulations are moving fast enough to support companies like Bottles?
Yeah, progress is happening, but not fast enough. So Europe is leading with the frameworks like PPWR, it's packaging and packaging waste regulation, and California's with SB 54, but globally the pace is uneven. Startups like ours are pushing innovation ahead of regulation, and in many ways, governments are trying to catch up. The good news is once regulation align, adoption will accelerate rapidly.
Okay, so if you could give one piece of advice to young entrepreneurs entering the sustainability space, what would it be?
One thing is that it would be that don't chase the perfect idea, chase the real problem. Sustainability is full of buzzwords, but what matters is solving a concrete issue in a way people will actually use. So stay persistent because change in this space takes time. It's it takes a lot of time, but the impact is worth it.
Okay, so now coming down to the most exciting part of this interview, the rapid fire round. Okay, so I'm going to ask you the question and you have to answer in one word. So my first question to you is one word to describe your leadership style.
Pragmatic, maybe.
Okay. The cosmetic brand you would love to most collaborate with.
Any brand bold enough to lead on sustainability.
Okay. So the innovation you are most proud of beside airless pack.
The courage to rethink packaging from zero.
Okay. So if not packaging, which industry would you be disrupt next?
Maybe food delivery packaging. It's another plastic mountain waiting to be solved.
Okay. So sustainability in one sentence.
Using less, but making it less more.
Okay. So thank you, Mr. Chiwon, for joining us and sharing your inspiring journey. We can't wait to see what next for Bottles. Thank you for joining this interview.
Thank you, Manis. Bye.